NXT. And we just said a few minutes ago, let him cook. Shawn Michaels has been cooking. Matter of fact, Shawn Michaels has not only been cooking, Shawn Michaels has been cooking some neck bones, some collard greens, some macaroni and cheese, some biscuits on that bitch. Shawn Michaels is over there cooking because he brought the sexiest stuff, the sexy red back. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me just play this clip real quick.
Sexy red.
We've been waiting and anticipating this very moment. Let me introduce you